Morning, YouTubers. Just wanted to give you an update on what's going on this weekend. We did not get any hive components built this weekend. Had some other things to get done. Had to get sugar bricks made for the bees, and you'll see the video for that. But working on some orders for customers and just getting some chores done around here. So next week we'll get another hive component built, but just wanted to give you a shot of what I've been doing just today. So getting all these boxes built up. Got deeps and mediums. And now I've got to get all these sanded and get the holes filled in with putty, and then I'll give them a paint job and then get them out to their new owners. So that's what we've been doing here. And just wanted to say hello and thanks for watching Charlotte Honey Company here on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button for me, would you? All right, guys, thanks a lot, and I'll see you next weekend. Morning, YouTubers. We're gonna check our stores here on the girls. They're in there. You can hear them. See if we can get them knocked down a little bit. Big cluster. Looking pretty good. Say they got enough food for right now. I'm just gonna box them back up. Quickity quick, just like that. I'll check them in a few days and see how good they're doing on that. Let's go over and check some of these ones. I hear them in there. Yep, they got tons of sugar brick left too. I'll give you a peek of these ones. This size cluster doing good. Two. It's about 35 degrees out right now. All right, check this one. Yeah, I hear him in there. Just a little smoke. Wow, that one's doing really good too. All right, we'll leave them alone. Still got plenty of food in there. On to the next one. Uh-oh. Not seeing anything there. Hear some, but have a closer look here. Yep, they're in there. This box is still full of honey too, so we're gonna leave them alone. Definitely hear them in there though. Forgot my shim. You know what I am gonna do, just in case, I'm gonna put a sugar brick on there. These feeder shims work great. Little 4-inch shims. You can put it right over top of your sugar cake. A piece of insulation on the top of it. Got vent holes. Like that. Good to go. Remember, it was either this hive was crazy big, they're definitely in there. I hear them. Got plenty of sugar left on that one too. Nothing to do there. See what this one looks like. Yep, I hear them. Hear them bumping around on the piece of insulation. That means they're up top. Nice cluster. Really need to get a little bit more sugar on this one. See if we can get him to go down. Not happy with me, but I gotta keep them alive. We can do this without pissing them off. Unlikely, but we're gonna try. Go back inside. I know you're cold. That should hold them. Come here, girl. Get you back inside. I know it's cold. I'm sorry. There you go. All right, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 6. We'll see what's happening over here. It's a nice warm day, probably 35 degrees out right now. So I figured I'd check on the bees, made a bunch of sugar bricks, and wanted to be prepared in case they were empty of sugar bricks, and then I could throw some fresh ones on. But 8 out of 8 hives still alive so far, and it is the last week of February. So, man, if I go another 30 days, I think we got this this winter licked, but we'll see what happens. It's supposed to be almost 50 by Tuesday. So I'm probably going to come out and hit them with some OA and get a head start on that mite count for the year. All right. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you again next week here at Charlotte Honey Company. Thank you.